Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand next question, that is explain law of variable proportion and law of return to scale. Or otherwise it can be asked as explain law of production. Explain law of production like this, the question can be asked. In that we will discuss explain the production is governed by mainly two types of laws: law of variable proportion, law of return to scale. First we will discuss law of variable proportion. It deals with concept of increasing productivity using change in production units within limits of existing fixed cost. If the number of units of a variable factor is increased, keeping other factor constant, how output change is concerned of this law. What assumptions are taken from law of variable proportion? The technique of production remains the same. This law is adopted for short run only. Labor and raw material are variable factors. Other inputs must be kept constant. All factors are not kept rigidly fixed proportion, so it is also called law of proportionality. Units produced during production are homogeneous in amount and quality. Law of return to scale. It describes the relationship between outputs and scale of inputs in the long run when all inputs are increased in same proportion. There are three laws of return to scale: law of increasing return, law of constant return, law of diminishing returns. Law of increasing returns: when the units of variable factors are increased with the units. Other factors, the marginal productivity increased. It is called increasing law of returns. Next is law of constant returns. When the units of variable factors are increased with the units of other fixed factor, the marginal productivity remains constant. It is called law of constant return. Law of diminishing. When the units of variable factors of the production are increased with the units of other fixed factors, the marginal productivity decreases. It is called law of diminishing returns. Assumption of a law of return to scale. All factors are variable, but the enterprise is fixed. A worker works with tools and implement it. Technological changes are absent. There is perfect competition. The product is measured in quantities. So that's for today's video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.